Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. This popular puzzle challenges your logic and deduction skills. The main objective is to fill a 9 by 9 grid with numbers from 1 to 9. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your mind, offering countless hours of engaging fun. We'll cover the fundamental rules and some clever strategies to help you become a Sudoku master in no time. Let's dive in and learn how to conquer these number grids. Let's look at the grid structure. The large 9 by 9 grid is further subdivided into 9 smaller 3 by 3 boxes. The core rule is that within each of these 9 smaller boxes, you must place the numbers 1 through 9, with no repeats. The same rule applies to every single row across the entire grid and every single column down the entire grid. Understanding this fundamental structure is key to solving any Sudoku puzzle. Now, let's explore some essential strategies to get you started. A great first step is to scan the grid for rows, columns, or 3 by 3 boxes that already have many numbers filled in. This makes it easier to spot the missing digits. Look for naked singles, which are cells where only one number is logically possible. Also, try to find hidden singles, where a specific number can only be placed in one particular cell within a row, column, or box. These techniques will significantly help you progress. To truly master Sudoku, consistent practice is incredibly important. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and quickly deducing solutions. Begin with easier puzzles to build your confidence and understanding, then gradually challenge yourself with more difficult ones. You'll find countless free Sudoku puzzles online and through various mobile applications, offering a fresh challenge every day. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be solving even the toughest grids with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.